Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on the user account control if for some reason it's been turned off. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go select the search magnifying glass icon on your taskbar and type in user account. Best match should come back with change user account control settings. Go ahead and open that up. Set this to what I'd recommend, either the third or fourth option near the top. I'd recommend probably just doing the recommended default option here, the second from the top, and then select OK. And then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.